Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove suggested reels on Facebook. So you just need to sign in to your Facebook on the website or by using the phone, and then I just want you to go through your accounts, click on it, and then go into settings and privacy. Alright, then click on settings. Right. Once you click on settings, this window appears. So there is nothing to do here. What we want to do is to go into the Meta Account Center and then click into See More in Account Center. Alright, so once we are here, I just want you to go to the left bar, this one, and click on the option which it says Add Preferences. Alright, so here I just want you to go into these two options, and what we want to go through is that one, Manage Info. And then when we click on manage info, here it showed us that there are too many things that's allowed, and we doesn't allow them, so we just need to remove. Anyways, we go into for example ads from ad partner, and we click on it, and then we'll see that that option is allowed. Show me ads from ad partners. So we can go and click on don't show me ads from ad partner, and that will provide you to not get the suggested reels on your Facebook. So here you can go to ads about Meta on other platforms, and also do the same thing and confirm. And you can do that on every single option right here, and you can make them off. As I show you, you can choose don't show me the ads from anyone, and that's how you can remove suggested reels on Facebook. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your beloved ones, and see you next video.